I do not like this on my back.
Useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. And don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just... looks like you've lost power. I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Woo, that was close. Oh, you found my missing screws. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Those purple buttons. There's a unicorn, and look, she's a mum. Really lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's beard, we did see pixies, scroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
I don't think Mom's gonna like that part that goes back.
No.
Yeah, I didn't like that at all. Actually, I felt very uncomfortable being in the back.
I got it.
That's why it takes long.